Is this seat available?
Of course. Please have a seat. You look like you've been traveling for a long time.
I have. I arrived in this town late last night after a 12-hour train ride.
12 hours? That's a long journey. What brings you here?
I'm taking a year off from work to travel around the world. I wanted to experience different cultures instead of just reading about them.
That's a wonderful idea. Traveling teaches lessons that books sometimes cannot.
Exactly. Every place has its own story. Even this little cafe feels special.
Thank you. My family has owned this cafe for over 40 years. My father started it with only 3 tables.
Really? It must have taken a lot of hard work.
It did. There were difficult years when we barely had enough customers to pay the bills. But my father never gave up.
That's inspiring. What kept him going?
He believed that if you treated people with kindness, they would always come back.
That's a beautiful philosophy.
What about you? What do you do for work?
I'm a software engineer. I enjoy solving problems, but after several years I realized I was spending more time looking at screens than living life.
So this trip is about finding balance?
Yes. I want to meet people, taste local food, learn history, and create memories.
Then you've come to the right place. This town has many hidden treasures.
I'd love to hear about them.
There's an old lighthouse on the hill. Every evening the sunset there paints the sky with orange, pink, and purple colors.
That sounds amazing.
There's also a small market where local artists sell handmade paintings, pottery, and jewelry.
I enjoy collecting handmade souvenirs because each one has a story.
Exactly. Mass-produced items are everywhere, but handmade crafts carry a piece of the artist's heart.
I couldn't agree more.
Have you ever traveled alone before?
This is my first solo adventure.
Were you nervous?
Very nervous. On my first day I almost missed my flight because I went to the wrong airport terminal.
That's a story you'll remember forever.
At the time it wasn't funny.
The best travel stories usually begin with a problem.
That's true. Yesterday my phone battery died while I was trying to find my hotel.
How did you manage?
An elderly woman noticed I looked lost. She walked with me for nearly 20 minutes until we found the hotel.
Acts of kindness like that restore our faith in people.
They really do.
What's the most beautiful place you've visited so far?
A mountain village where the clouds floated below us. It felt like walking in the sky.
That sounds unforgettable.